Today we have the Pure Magic Oracle cards by Andreas and Gracia, illustrated by Judica Eyeless. They're really pretty. They come in a really nice box. They're by Rockpool Publishers, which are the same people that do the I Am Queen Oracle that I also have an unboxing for. I'll link the video up here if you want to go look at it. I love this. It has the crow. It says, discover the healing power of the elements as they guide you through life's journey of experiences. Inspired by the Big Book of Practical Spells by Judica Eyeless, this stunning oracle captures the essence of the sacred elements in an array of virtual delight. It will guide you on a journey of healing power, help you reconnect with nature and spirit, and enable you to recover the power of earth-based spirituality. This is indeed the essential tool for your whole life. 36 cards to guide you through the darkness and the light. It will open you to a remembrance of infinite consciousness and to a world of endless possibilities. Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Oh, look, here's the inside. That's pretty. This is a very, very pretty box. A nice, heavy box, too. You could keep your cards in it. It would. Oh, the bottom of the box has a design, too. A lot of times they don't do the inside bottom of the box. I love this. It's a lot of attention to detail, and I love it. Okay. Here is they have a Oracle reading card app that comes in the box. Little instructions for that. Here's the book. Pure Magic Oracle. Here's the back of the book. Here is what it looks like in the book. The book has a foreword, and it has contents, preparing for a reading, sacred dedication for the oracle, cleansing and how to cleanse and charge your deck. That's always a good thing. Effective layouts and spreads, and the powers, the bee spread or the elemental body spread. Here's the crow again. Is that a crow? That might be a raven. I think it's a raven. There are 36 cards. Goes through all the cards, and then it tells you about the illustrator. Here's preparing for the reading. Spread. So, yeah. And here is the illustrator and the author. So you can read about them. Interesting. Okay, let's take a look at these cards. I believe they had a belly band around them, and I already took that off before I thought about doing an unboxing, so sorry. Here are the back cards. I think they're beautiful, and I think there is a lot of significance in them. I have not read the book. Some people use the books, okay, and I'm not saying you have to do what I do. I read by intuition, so I don't use the book. Once in a blue moon, I might look up something in the book to find out the um, author or the illustrator's idea behind what they meant by the card, but I just go by what spirit tells me the card means when I read the cards. But if you're just starting out, this book could definitely help you. The book has a lot of detail in it and will help you interpreting cards. So They're just a tiny bit bigger for my hand than a regular tarot card. They're like, here's a regular shaped tarot card. Regular tarot cards, see, they're a little more square. They're a little wider. So if you have smaller hands, it might be a little harder to shuffle, but they do shuffle very nicely. Very nice weight card. Okay, very nice weight to these cards. So let's look at the cards now that I've shuffled them and they're not going to be in order at all. Hecate's Path. I love the artwork. Opening the Circle. Vervain Everlasting. Astral Travels. Songbirds. Love this. And look at the design in there. And that could be like the new moon, but it also goes back to that on the back, right? So new moon, that makes me think of new moon. Ancestors. Look, that's the first card, ancestors. Connecting with the ancestors watching over you. Each of these cards, it has like the word or the words, and then it has a little like description, I guess you call it. This one says ancestors, family, survival, death, and worship. Ancestors. Snake skin. Banyan blessings. Look, it's got like closed eyes in the tree with the sun shining. Burning Man. Burning Man 26. Collective Power, Supreme Prayer, three of Cups. Celebration. Interesting. Pyrokinesis. Pyrokinesis. What is pyrokinesis? Pyro is fire. Kinesis is so. Telekinesis is moving things with your mind. So is this moving things with fire, transforming things with fire? Debate, rage, revolution, attention. Oh, I can see it. Birth by fire. Yeah, walking through the coals to get to the other side. Baraka. There is an amazing movie that was filmed all over the world called Baraka. It's a documentary. You should watch it. It's just, I don't know. It came out years ago and it just transforming. It's a transforming. It's just glimpses into the spiritualness of the world as a whole. It's called Baraka. Power, strength, force, and expansion. And that's number 21. Mugwort Dream, 13. There's moon up there. You can only see half of her face. Rhythm, higher self, reality, and rest. Earth Mother. Mantra medicine. Yes, mantra medicine. Huh. Gnomes. Gnomes. I love it. Gnomes. See a little gnome house. I love it. Belladonna Visions. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. The purples. Oh. I think this is pronounced Jen, not Degen. But look, it's like she's cracking open the mask, but the mask is the light and the dark and revealing herself as whole. Wilderness, enigmatic, wildness, enigmatic service and choices. Herbal craft, a witchy kitchen. Voodoo roots. Ocean muse. Raising winds. Oh, wow. There's a lot of symbolism in this. Look at that alchemical symbolism. Alchemist. Drawing down the sun. Florida waters. Florida waters. Florida waters. Makes me think of my mama. Florida waters. Florida waters is something she would make. Natural form, enchanted potion, red roses, and cleansing. And like it's got a little bottle, Florida waters. My mama, my great grandma, Appalachian granny woman. Pure magic. The moon, see the moon up there? Sylphs, Bridget, Brigade, however you would like to pronounce that. Bridget, the goddess. Look, it has her cross. She's holding her cross. Of course, she has this beautiful red hair. There's like the shamrock. I love it. Psychic flames, 333, sacred milk, and druid magic. Love it. My Celtic soul loves that. Closing the circle, witch's wound. Witch's wound. And that is number 36 card. That's the last card of the deck in numerical order. Wow. Witch's wound. Remedy, magical medicine, sacred heart, another day. And you see the symbols here. Sacred seances. I think this one's really pretty. Hallowed heart. This is giving me Frida Kahlo. I love Frida Kahlo. Drawing down the moon. If you haven't read that book, go get it. It's one of the old originals, Drawing Down the Moon by Margot Adler. Yeah. Hey, drop me a comment if y'all would like me to do some like book reviews and stuff. And I do like the original, the original goddess centered 1970s kind of books from or older. Not some new, I don't know, Harry Potter kind of crap. I like Harry Potter, but you know. But yeah, Drawing Down the Moon. Salamander. Look at that. That is like a doorway, window. There's salamanders all around it. The moon. It's very uh, Middle Eastern looking. Very like Saudi Arabia or something. Ouroboros. Creative work, infinite wisdom, and alchemy. Levitation. And look, there's that geometric flower of life behind her. Oh, telekinesis. We were just talking about that earlier. Telekinesis. Moving things with your mind. Intelligence, willpower, control, obstacles. Hidden familiars. I like that. Hidden familiars. Look. You have a wolf. You have a hawk, a rabbit. That might be a crow or a raven, not a hawk. To me, I think of a hawk soaring over the mountains at sunset. Because when I go outside, that's what I see is a hawk soaring over the mountains at sunset at my house. Ancient amulets, fortune, protection, skills, and possessions. This one has a lot of symbolism too. Do you see the stars around her hand? There's the moon. There's a lot in these cards. I really like these cards. This is the second deck from this publisher, Rockpool, that I've done. They're from they're out of Australia, I believe. Um, but yeah, I really like the feel of these cards, and there are other cards I love the attention to detail that the I'm Queen Oracle, um, which I'll drop a link to that again if I can do that. I don't know if I can link to the same thing twice up here in the same video because I already linked to it. But if so, it will be right up here. Um, but yeah, that's it for these. I love these. I would love to just turn that into a picture and hang it on my wall. Um, anyway, if you like this, Drop a comment. Tell me what your favorite card was, what you liked most about this deck, what you wish I had shown you about this deck, or if you have questions, um, drop a comment and ask, and I'll try to answer them. There's going to be a link down here to where you can purchase these cards. And make sure you like this video, especially if you want me to do more of these unboxings or flip throughs. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I drop. If you're not familiar with my channel, every Thursday I drop a long form community reading, and I also drop various readings throughout the week. But every Thursday there's a long form community reading dropped regardless. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more. At the end of this, there will be a video that you can watch to see uh, one of the readings I do. Okay. Um, anyway, comment, like, subscribe, please, and share this. If you have a friend that's interested in these cards, or you think would be interested in these cards, maybe they love crows, maybe they would love the artwork. Maybe they're from Australia. Share this in a message. Okay, share this video in a message to a friend who you think should see this. Share this to your Telegram group. Share this in WhatsApp. Post it on your Facebook. Anyway, that's it. Pure Magic Oracle. That's it, y'all. Love your faces. Bye. Kisses.